you was on your period. No.
All right.
I'm so tired of ballin', 'cause there's too many switches in my mix.
You never hear a baller say nothing like this.
I'm so tired of ballin', 'cause there's too many switches in my mix.
You never hear a baller say nothing like this.
Hey you, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ladessa. You spell that L-A-D-E-S-S-A. L to the D to the L to the D to the L to the A, D to the Ladessa. What's good? I want to thank you so much for hanging out with me today. Lips a little ashy, got my little lipsticks over here. But anyway, I want to thank you so much for hanging out with me today. If you are new, welcome. If you are one of my regular schmegulars, what it do, boo? Look, let me explain to you or lay down the rules of engagement. If you want to be a regular schmegula boo, you got to hit the subscribe button. I mean, you treat me like you want to be treated. Don't just drive by. Stay a while. Take your coat off. We get to know each other down in the comment section. And if you enjoy this video, I hope you'll give me a thumbs up. And then sharing is caring. Share the video. All right? It's all free. It don't cost you nothing but a couple few minutes of your time. All right. So in my last hair video, my first, now the one previously, my last hair video, I asked, do you all want to see more hair? I don't want to call them tutorials because I'm still learning, right? But show you how I do my hairs. If you want to see more of those. And I got a yes. So I was like, okay, well, let's do it. So we are going to put on our wig. We are going to do a little swoop with a little flip, take it back a little retro something. And yeah, so if you want to see how I style my wigs, let's go over to the other side. Okay. So listen. Remember when I said that you're going to go out with your girls on Valentine's Day, February 13th, and leave his ass on red? Then you was all, out with your girls and... Oh! 1 for the money, 2 for the health, 3 for the fuck free! And I'm not tripping, whatever. Y'all, had a really good happy hour. The drinks was flowing, Prosecco bubbles, nice little, sassy appetizers for half the price. And then what had happened was you had got home and and you was all licking up and your juice box was all ready and you looked over to the other side of the bed and it was
So icy.
That's why your men don't like you hanging out with your single friends. Oh, bitter, lonely. Hey, my bad. Hey, them was just jokes. I wasn't trying to, I just was saying what I was saying. I didn't mean to cause no harm, no foul. So now, we're going to make it up. We're going to slay a wig. Our makeup and base is ready to go. Go get your man. I'm going to doll you up so you can go get your man. Okay? All right. And I love you. Okay, so come on. So here is my wig. I will put the link to where I order my wigs from. I'll put her WhatsApp. She doesn't have a website. Does she have a website? Yeah, she does have a website, but I always talk to her through WhatsApp. But anyway, so here's the wig. I'll do like all the other girls do. Let me show you the wig construction. And it came as a little bob wig. So there's 4 combs. There's one in the back with the adjustable straps. There's one in the middle. I'm not sure why, because most people wear wig caps. And then there's 2 right on the side. All right, so I don't do the lace glue or the molding and melting the lace with the glue and all that. I do use a little bit of glue, and I'll show you where. I always wear a side part. I got an Eddie Munster, so we're not doing the part down the middle. All right, so what I do to make my wigs look a little natural, and this wig that I have on is not transparent lace, even though you can kind of see through it. That's just kind of where I plucked it. But anyway, I take my wigs, I take the lace, and I split them. I hope you can see that. I split them open into a V so to lay down into my part. So let's go ahead and put our wig on. Gonna utilize our combs. I got a big head, so I'm sure you saw that my adjustable straps are all the way on the last ones. Make sure our part is lining up. Secure the back. Oh, I got this tight. Okay. This is where it needs to be. All right, and then we will fix and secure our part down at the end. All right, so let's comb this down. Got a little flat iron here. Get our flyaways. I don't have like the wax and all of that. All right, so let's take our little swoopy swoop and take that to the back. I got my, can I bring up my bobby pins? Oh crap. Okay, shoot. Okay, sorry about that. I'm back. All right, so I got my little trusty bobby pins. Just gonna secure a little swoop in the back. Okay. And I already kind of got a little bump because I was practicing. All right, so here we go. Let's just do our bottom part first. Section this off. Just put a little ponytail. All right, so put a little pump it up in our hand. Put a little bit of chi. Rub our hands together and coat the hair. And give us a nice little flip. Okay, yeah. All right, then the back. All right, let's put some earrings on. Okay, and then I'll show you what little bit of glue I use. I just use nail glue, and I just put a little dab right there in my part just to secure it down. And then we're gonna get a little bit of concealer, put it on this angled brush. Where's the concealer? Bam! And there you have it. Now you can stop listening to your bitter ass no man having friends. You look super cute. Do one more once over. Okay, there you go. Now you are ready to go get your man and apologize. This is your sorry for 2004, because you was down to the YouTubes listening to Ladessa with her single Lonely As, and she was tripping. You just was trying to have a girls' night before the romantic night he was planning. You didn't mean to leave him on red. All right, well, I hope you enjoyed this video. I thank you so much for hanging out with me today. And yeah, always remember to pack light, because bag lady, bag man, you and me too, we are gonna hurt our backs dragging all them bags like that. Go forth with your little swoop and flip and slay. I'll see you next time. Bye. No, for real. You look mad cute. He's gonna forgive you. He's gonna forgive you. You was tripping. Tell him you was on your period. No, don't say that, because I mean, you know, it's date night. Alright, I'll see you next time. Bye.
We on our War You Fam shit, you heard? Thank you, come again. Gang, gang, gang. Shitting me.